Today's video is going to be on the easiest acorn squash recipe ever from yours truly at Misfit Market. Yay! Let's get into it. I've heard of acorns and I've heard of squash, but I've never heard of acorn squash. I tried my hand in butternut squash a while ago and I literally never got the damn thing open. I don't know how you open it. How do you cut open a butternut squash? Like with an axe? With a chainsaw? I'm not sure. I'm really not sure. I do know how, guys. I know you poke holes in it, you put it in the microwave and then you can cut it, but it's just not for me. Not for me. Years later, 2 acorn squashes appeared at my door in a Misfit Market box. So let's get into the recipe. So acorn squash, I did use 2 of these. I used 1 onion cut up. I used some garlic powder. I used salt and pepper to taste, 2 tablespoons of oil, and then I preheated the oven at 400 and I baked for 45 minutes to an hour. I would say closer to an hour, and you want to make sure the cut sides are down. You want this to be moist inside. You don't want to dry it out or burn it. I used 1 cup of Fairlife milk, but that is your choice on what milk you guys want to use. We just like Fairlife milk and we don't support abusive cows. Those were individual workers and not the company. And 1 cup of water just to kind of not be complete gluttons about it. But if you guys want to use 2 cups of milk, that's cool. You guys can do that. And half a tablespoon of cinnamon also to taste. Cut your squash open. You're going to cut your onions and you're going to put it all on a sheet with aluminum foil. You're going to put some garlic powder on it and salt and pepper, and a tablespoon of olive oil should do, but if you want to do 2, you can. Put them down, you're going to bake it. Once they're done baking, you're going to fork out or spoon out the inside, and you're going to put it all in a blender and blend it all together. After this, you're probably going to want to heat it up again because with the milk and the water, it's just not going to be that warm anymore, and then you guys can heat it up. And voila, the easiest recipe in the world for acorn squash. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much for your love and support. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Until next time, work hard, dream big, eat cake. Bye, guys!